Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can evaporate and unvaporate your plant or brain rot in Plant versus Brainrot game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to evaporate item in Plant versus Brainrot game, this step is very simple. You just need to go to your inventory and you can right click on the plant or the Brainrot that you want to evaporate. And evaporating item will prevent them from being sold, guys. Usually I accidentally sell my brain rots or my plant because I activate the auto sell feature, or I just sell all my brain rot, so my previous brain rot will be automatically sold. And we just need to right click on it like this. If you are using your PC, just right click on the brain rot or the plant that you want to evaporate, just like this. And on your mobile phone, you can double click on the plant or on the brain rot, and it will keep them from being sold. If you want to evaporate, just right click, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how to evaporate and unevaporate items in Plant versus Brainrot game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!